how to use Mailchimp for newsletters. Hello and welcome to our channel, WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Mailchimp for newsletters. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and kindly go to Mailchimp.com. Or you can simply click the link on the description below, and you will be directed on this page in which it will show you the details about this platform. And if you don't know Mailchimp, it is an all-in-one marketing platform that provides a range of marketing and communication tools to help businesses and organizations grow their online presence, engage with their audiences, and market their products or services effectively. And also, it is widely known for its email marketing services, but it also offers a suite for other marketing features. And to access this platform before signing up, just click this pricing option and you will be directed on this page, and it will show you some of the pricing plan that they offer, including the free plan, essential plan, standard, and also the premium plan. And below you will see the corresponding prices and the list of benefits included on each plan. But in those plans, I'm going to choose the free plan. And to do that, kindly proceed by clicking this button that says sign up for free. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And from here, to sign up for Mailchimp, all you need to do is to fill out your business email, your username, and also generate your own password. And after that, just check these boxes below and click the sign up button. And the next thing that you need to do is to verify your email address by simply opening your email inboxes, and from here, just click this active account button below. And upon clicking on it, you will automatically be directed on this page, in which this is the homepage of Mailchimp.com. And from here, you will see on the left side panel some of the options that you could also navigating, including the campaigns, automations, audience, analytics, and website. And under the campaigns option on the left side panel, from here, you will be able to create, manage, and analyze various marketing messages that you can share with your audience through email, ads, or other channels. And aside from that, you could also navigate the automations option on the left side panel, in which the main purpose of this option is to create a targeted and automated email campaigns that send when triggered by a specific date, event, or subscriber's activity. While under the audience option on the left side panel, by simply clicking on it, from this option, you will be able to manage and organize your contacts, collect valuable data, and send targeted campaigns. While under the analytics option right here, you will be able to see the valuable insights into the performance of the email marketing campaigns, in which these tools analytics will help you to understand how successful the campaigns and identify the areas for improvement. And from here, you will be able to monitor the amount of revenue and also the orders from the customers. And aside from that, by clicking the website option on the left side panel, in which this option will provide you with free and easy to use website builder that will help you to create more attractive and functional websites for your businesses and online store. While under the content option on Mailchimp, this option will provide you with a variety of tools and features to create, manage, and optimize the content of your email campaigns, landing pages, and your websites. While under the integration option on the left side panel, from here you will be able to connect your Mailchimp account with other business and personal accounts, allowing you to share information and automate processes between them. And now, to start creating a newsletter on Mailchimp, just simply click the campaigns option on the left side panel, and from here, just proceed by clicking Create New button on the top right corner. And after that, you have the choices in building either regular email, automation, or even a landing page. But in those options, since you're trying to make a newsletter, kindly click this regular email. Just click the Sign Email button below, and you will be directed on this page. And from here, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information or to complete this task list. And the first one is to add a recipient or a person who are you sending this email to. And by clicking on it, you will be able to import contacts, and by simply clicking this button right here, you will be directed on this page and it will show you the other options or way in importing your contact. And after selecting your way, just click the continue button to proceed. And now for the next thing that we need to do is simply adding from or who is sending this email. So from here, all you need to do is to simply enter your name and also your email address. Then just proceed by clicking the save button below. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to add a subject or a subject line to your email. So just click this button that says add subject, and below just simply enter the subject that you prefer. So let's say I'm going to enter here sample subject. Then just proceed by clicking the save button to save these changes. And now the next thing that we need to do is to design this email or the content of this email. And from here, you will be able to choose a templates or even to start from scratch. But in this template, I'm going to choose this natural template. And to customize this, kindly click the apply button. And you will be directed on this page. And from here, you will see on the left side panel some of the editing tools that you can use in designing your newsletter, email, templates. Let's say you're going to change this logo, so kindly click on it. And you will see on the left side panel some of the tools that you can do, either to change the logo by choosing or importing a media files from your computer. And below on the left side panel, you will see here some of the tools including the alignment, the background color, the padding, dynamic content, and any other things that you could also adjust in your logo. And aside from that, below this image, we could also change this one by clicking on it, and it will show you on the left side panel some of the tools. And I'm going to choose to change the background color of it. And after successfully changing the color, just click this done button right here. And if you want to also add an image, you could also do so by clicking this add button right here. And aside from that, you could also add a content, including this context right here on the top of it. So for the heading, I'm just going to enter the text newsletter. And you can simply customize the size of this letter or context and even the font style, the color of this font, and any other elements that you could also use to customize this context. So as you can see, I make it bold in order to make it highlight to the center of the heading. And aside from that, below here, you could also customize or add other elements using the editing tools on the left side panel, such as for this button, you could also change the size of it, the color, and even the context. However, I'm just going to make it or keep it that way. Well, for this context right here, I'm just going to change this completely, so kindly select this and delete this context. And after that, you can start entering the context that you prefer for your newsletter. And after customizing the design content of your email newsletter, kindly proceed by clicking the Save and Exit button on the top right corner. And after that, you will be directed in here, and it will show you that you have now successfully created a newsletter in Mailchimp. And to see what it looks like from other audiences, just click this preview button right here. And you will be directed on this page, and you will see here all the details that you just add or customize in creating newsletter in Mailchimp. So that is just how you can use Mailchimp for newsletters. Thank you.